What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to go over another portfolio update. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, guys, and let's get into it. So I believe last time we did the portfolio update I was around $3,880 some dollars, and as you can see we're around $4,790 right now, and I've added quite a bit of money since then if we look at the funding history. So right now I have $4,500 invested, and the last update I had around $3,600 invested. So I mean, I've added $900 since then. The overall gains around $300 right now at 9%. I believe the last update I was at a little over 10%. I actually did go up to around 11, almost 12%, but I didn't do an update then. But now I'm up only 9%, which is completely fine because it really doesn't matter about where the market's going right now. I'm just going to continue to invest whether the market goes up or down, and if it goes down, then I'll just be investing more money into the portfolio. So if we look in this, the technology's up 5%. We got our industrial stocks, which is like the Walgreens, 3M, Waste Management, and Walmart. Those are at 8%. My real estate is up 4%. The retirement portfolio, a little portion of it, is at 8%. My growth, which we'll talk about this, growth is up 13%, and that's mostly because, as you can see, Tesla. So if you guys weren't aware, Tesla just got announced that it was going into the S&P 500, so it's added to that, and it recently has just skyrocketed ever since that was announced. So if we look at this, we'll go the 1 month, as you can see, went from $408, and now, I mean, it did actually reach $600 at one point, but it's been kind of, there you go, you can see right there, around $600. And I mean, I'm really glad that I invested in Tesla, just because it was just perfect timing for it to get added to the S&P 500. I just started doing this portfolio about a month ago, probably now, and it worked out for me. Overall, though, I really just think Tesla is a great stock, and I think it has potential to be over $1,000 probably within the next year or two, I'd say. So going back to the other slices, the energy slice is about 32%. I just have the one stock in here, which is the Chevron Corp, which has been doing pretty well. Then my little extra slice, which I have my Fifth Third, Coca-Cola, Honeywell, Disney, and Costco. Those have all been doing pretty decent, as you can tell. And then the healthcare is the only one that I am down on, and it's actually the one that I'm least invested in. But overall, the portfolio is still doing pretty well, and I've gained about $13 in dividends, which is the ultimate goal for this portfolio, is to have those dividends continue to snowball effect into larger values. So with showing you guys that, let's also hop in and take a look at the Robinhood portfolio. Alright, so here is my Robinhood portfolio, and I think the last time I showed you guys the update, I was around, I want to say 2,300 or something. I think it was right around here that I did the update, and that was when I first bought the Apple option right here, and it's gone down quite a bit. I've lost quite a bit on this option, but I still have you can see December 11th, and today is November 30th, so I still have about 2 weeks for that option, which I'm hoping it'll just get above around 123, I think, which is very possible for Apple. And it has actually gone up quite a bit today, and then it just dipped down. It's on its way back up. So we're just going to be patient for this, and we still have 2 weeks, so I'm not too worried about it. So that is my one option that I have. And going back to the portfolio, Plug has actually gone up quite a bit today. I mean, a lot of stuff has gone down, but overall, Plug has been doing pretty well. If we look at this for 1 month, it's gone up quite a bit, 75% in the 1 month, which is really good. And the big one that recently spiked up a lot is the airlines. So all the airlines and the cruise lines, because the vaccine news, with the vaccine coming out, all of them spiked up a lot. That was just the past week, but the past month you can see it went up 35%, and I have 10 shares of this, so I'm up quite a bit for this one. For the exact value, I believe we're up $85. It was almost actually up to $100 this morning, but it's gone down, as you can see. I also have the SPY, which I'm up $9 on that. The NEO, it was doing pretty well, and I mean I'm in it for a long term basically, so these little fluctuations don't really matter too much, but it's gone down quite a bit today. As you can see, we're still at a gain of $12, so I mean I'm not too worried about it. I don't think it's gonna drop off the map anytime soon. So I also, for a few long-term ones, I bought a Facebook share, which I only bought one of them because they're kind of expensive, but I mean over the past few years you can see like it's done great, up 158% in the past 5 years. And I think Facebook like owns Instagram, and obviously it has Facebook, so I think it's a great stock, honestly, and I don't see why it would be going down anytime soon with the increase in social media. And I also bought Dropbox, which is basically like a workspace where you can like upload, and as you can see it says, say goodbye to busy work. Most productivity tools can get in your way and constantly disrupt your flow. There's a more enlightened way to work. Dropbox helps people be organized, stay focused, and get in sync with their teams. And with everything being online right now, I think that it's gonna be a really good product in the future. So I also did this one for a long run. I bought 2 shares of that, so nothing too crazy. I mean, they're not very expensive stocks either. And so that is my update for Robinhood. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will continue to be putting money into the dividend portfolio weekly, and I will keep you guys updated on what else I invest in. Basically with this account, I've just been putting in $100 basically each day until I get to around 5,000. Then I'll start doing $100 a week, and I just do it over the whole entire portfolio, so it evenly spreads out the $100 throughout all these stocks that I have here. As you can see, if we go to fund history, if we go to the holdings, you can see that it just distributes it throughout all the stocks that I want it to. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys can get the weekly updates, and I will see you guys in next week's video.